Should I fire you? I'm just low on gas.
Oh my.
What?
Dude, this picture.
What is it?
Okay, okay. This was posted on r/male living space.
What's that? Subreddit?
Yeah, it's this community where rich guys post their rich guy apartments, and it makes sad guys feel a little bit more sad. It's supposed to be constructive or something.
It sounds bad.
No, dude, it's awesome. Just here, listen to this caption. Fiance left me with nothing, so I came up with all this within a week. Here.
Hold on, I'm meeting.
No, take a look.
Oh, Jesus, dude.
Dude, look at that fat dog.
Fuck.
Look at that fat dog.
Where do you think you got that furniture at a estate sale?
Dude, his grandma probably died the same week too. Hey, do you think this solitary candle is gonna be enough to get rid of the smell of his ex? Oh my god.
Man, I kind of wish you didn't show me that.
What? It's awesome! Instant lock screen material. Hey, look, I just made this dog the face of my phone. Yeah.
Dude, it's not that funny.
Hey.
Hey, what's up, bitch? Are you hungry? I got a rotisserie chicken salt, greased up and ready to go.
Hey, Ryan.
What's wrong?
I don't know. This dog's kind of making me sad.
What dog?
The dog from the guy's house?
What house?
Bad dog. Dude.
Oh, right. What? No, I thought it was funny. Remember?
It was. But look at how sad it looks. The owner it actually liked is gone. And now it's left with this sad, pathetic, lonely man.
Hey, buddy, we don't know that he's sad.
Look at this. This guy's supposed to be happy?
I don't know.
He's reading some junk self-help book called The Awe of God. This dude is trying to find religion post-breakup. And even then, he's too lazy to actually pick up the Bible.
Okay, dude, you gotta get a job. You got way too much free time on your hands.
Look at this dog and tell me that he's happy.
Some dogs, they just look like that, Hugo.
Yeah, sad ones. Depressed ones.
Whatever, dude. I just had a really long day at work. I don't want to do this dog thing. Can we just get drunk and watch a movie? Something funny?
Fine. I can't pick.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
And Mexican too, because everything's made of corn, so it's super
Well,
good.
and they have margaritas. Margaritas
Right,
are gluten-free.
And, yeah, as long as there's a salad and margarita, like I'll eat it.
Me too.
You're pretty cute tonight.
Thank you. Hey, can I sleep over? I have to take my friend to the airport early tomorrow, and I don't want to drive back and forth.
Yeah, sure.
You can just say no, Ryan.
No. I know. It's just, I mean, it's just my roommate, Hugo.
Yeah, I remember Hugo. He's
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah, well, he's nice, but he's kind of been on this, fucking weird one lately, so...
Whatever.
No, I mean, like...
Is that the only reason?
No, I swear that's the only reason. But listen, if he tries talking to you, just, like, don't say anything at all. Completely ignore him.
Okay.
Yeah, hopefully he's asleep.
Ryan! Stacy! So good to see you guys.
Hey.
Hey, Hugo. We're pretty beat, so we're
Do
gonna...
you guys mind if I show you something super quickly?
Oh, is this the thing?
Awesome. He primed you. I'll be right back. Don't move.
I couldn't help
Okay, guys. Think I figured out the situation.
it. Wow. Is this like a project? What is this, your parents' house or something?
Okay, don't humor him. He doesn't need the input.
It's this guy's dog. It's his apartment. It's everything he owns in this world.
That is quite the girthy dog.
Yup, that's Daisy. And she has a thyroid issue, and he explained it in the comments, but people just assume that he's overfeeding her. So he claims that he got everything here within a week, but these NASCAR cars are mint in their original packaging, so...
Oh, I don't...
It's actually really straightforward when you look at it. He's a massive Jeff Gordon fan, except his fiance wouldn't allow it. And oh yeah, see, that's a California race car, number 24. Yes, and he loves Lightning McQueen a la Cars franchise. No, your eyes are not deceiving you. That is a Lightning McQueen ukulele. If you turn your attention to the pile of DVDs, you'll notice that he has a copy of Scott Pilgrim. So his taste in movies isn't completely shit. It's just the fact that it's at the top of the pile and he's going through a breakup, it shifts the tone completely, and not in a good way.
I'm sorry. But what's the point of all of this? I mean, how is this supposed to make anyone feel?
I don't know. How does it make you feel?
You don't have to answer that.
I don't know. I don't like it. I mean, at least he's got a cute dog and he's got a nice TV.
Right? And the sound bar. Oh, we won't talk about the speaker on the floor. And the song that he's listening to, Boys Will Be Bugs by Cavetown. Yeah, the artist is essentially a grown man pretending to be a teenager pretending to be a bug. You know, when you first listen to it, it sounds like one of those cynical TikTok songs that's meant to game the algorithm, and then you listen to it a good 10 or 15 times, you really start to appreciate it for what it really is. I personally find it quite charming. Oh, you'll have to notice that he did not put away the vacuum, so there's still fresh streaks on the carpet.
Okay, Hugo, this is enough, man. Come on.
Enough? Dude, I haven't even gotten to the window yet. Look, it's snowing outside. What are you willing to bet that he lives in Utah? I think he lives in Utah.
I can't with this.
What, you can't wager a guess? There's Utah vibes all over this bitch!
No, I can't with you, with this.
You don't care about people!
You just care about that fucking dog.
I think I should leave.
Baby,
I'll see you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay.
I'm a dumb teen boy, I eat sticks and rocks and mud. I don't care about the government and I really need a hug. I feel stupid, ugly, pretend it doesn't bother me. I'm not very strong, but I'll fuck you up if you're mean to bugs.
Where are you going, Hugo?
I have to go. I have to meet him.
No, you do not. You don't even know where this guy lives.
I hired some guy off the dark web to track his IP address. And guess what? Utah, baby.
Dude, what are you trying to accomplish?
I don't know, Ryan. I don't know, okay? It's just one of those things. There's a DoorDash order coming in like 15 minutes, so you can have it.
This fucking idiot.
Utah, baby.
just turned 14, and I think this year I'm gonna be mean. Don't mess with me, I'm a big boy now and I'm very scary. I punch my walls, stay out at night, and I do karate. Don't message me, cause I won't reply, I wanna make you cry. Ain't that how it's supposed to be, though it isn't me. Bosh will be budge, right?
Hello? Can I help you?
Are you Okie Bloomer?
I don't know what that is.
Looks nice in here. Better than before. The carpet, stairs. This is your place?
It was my grandmother's original. Who are you?
I'm from the community.
Okay. What do you want?
Where's Dave? I heard you had a dog. It sounded like you had a dog. A big, white one.
She,
No. Fuck! Bloomer! Oh my god, dude! Oh my god!
I'm a big boy now and I'm very scared.